Hello guys, welcome to JasTech. In this tutorial, we will learn how to start a new project in Android Studio. If you haven't seen my first tutorial, go click the I button and see it now. So let's get started. Click on the Start New Project in the Android Studio and you will see different templates for your Android project. The templates include an empty activity, a bottom navigation activity, and many other. Let's check out the empty activity. So, name your project. I named it as my first application, and I named my package as com.jastech.myfirstapp. Let's finish. You will see your project and it's ready now. So there are two files. One is mainActivity.java and the other is activity.main.xml. XML file is meant for the designing of your application and activity file is meant for the backend part. You should have some knowledge of classes and objects. I am giving some overview about classes and objects. I said you need some basic programming knowledge beforehand. So let's know what are classes and objects. I have commented the classes and objects as per my understanding. These definitions are meant for your understanding. These are not the exact definition of classes and objects. So just read it out. With TextView. TextView is a predefined class in Java, or should I say the Android Studio, in which you will call some text and can allow some functions like clicking, changing the text on clicking, etc. through this class. So we will create an object of TextView and create a clicking function on it by setOnClickListener. So let's do it. Toast is used to create a pop-up message of that function is clicked. You will see a demo at the last how it works. So stick to the tutorial. Our project is ready now. So let's test it on a device. You can have an Android virtual device and by clicking on the Run option, you will see a tab Devices in which it must be written No Devices. Click on the drop down menu and click on Open AVD Manager and create a new virtual device. Creating a new virtual device is easy. Just go and download the device you want. It could be a Pixel device or your device. Preferably it should be a Pixel device because it gives a quick overview of the app. So download the emulator and get started with the building process. I will run the project on my own device. You can do it so by connecting your device to the USB cable. Make sure your device has USB debugging enabled. If it not, get it enabled. You can go by going to developer options, USB debugging enabled. After connecting your device, you must see the name of your device on the devices section and click on run. I have done it. Let's see now what our application is doing. Our application is ready, and by clicking Hello World you will see a pop-up menu called Hello World. So it's working fine. Thanks for watching.